Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So as you know guys, price action as usual. I say not that great, I must say, but definitely this week some kind of choppy range. See what happened yesterday only. Full week almost since Monday, price just melting and creating so much liquidity here, trend line liquidity, and after that wiping everybody out, whoever selling from here, right? After wiping out everybody, just melt down and break the actual swing low. This was the low that I talked about yesterday only, and if you see my forecast as well. I posted forecast on Discord, but first I um post here before my before my session. I do this everything, each and everything. As you can see that here, this is swing low. Market has to break this, but before breaking this, it sweep that and come and take order from this wick zone, and it just melted down. Okay, so yes, it did manage to break this swing low. So now this is all become what I say, internal swing break of structure, and this become inter swing strong zone, right? And it's just pulling back. But as you observe here, there is a breaker block. Market just try range around here, but for us, if we use our premium and discounted zone, POI selection 50% range. So above here, the higher probability for us to look any kind of entry. But I must say, anything can happen. So try to look for a trade only to the extreme point of the POI, right? So this is the extreme. So look short entry from here. But as you know, after uh, any break of structure, price start pulling back, right? As you observe here, it started here, but there is no fractal break on this POI, and there is no lid as well. If you see clearly, there is no lid at all. Okay, so I have to uh, clear this as well. Where is this? No lid. Okay, so no lid, that means it can use this POI as a uh, inducement above to the POI, right? So it can happen like this as well, coming up and taking order from there, and then it can go down. Because if overall premium and discount we look at, not to this zone only, so it's around here. So this H1 stack on M15 POI is become higher probability for us to look for short, okay, to follow the order flow. Okay, so currently we just waiting for market to pull back till up here. Okay, till at least needed to come up here, then we can look for short entry to the downside. But now we just waiting because market is not going anywhere. If you observe clearly on M1, it's just sideways. So I don't want to encourage you guys to see M1 all the time, because it is bad, as you know. So No chat, no chat, no chat. Hmm. So, huh. Or if we see GBP JPY as a swing perspective, because here we are just waiting, not doing any stupid entry, and I'm not going to take any bad entry at all, because as you observe, price is just bearish currently. So we just wait for the pullback that we wanted. So price is not starting the pullback, because there is no lid around here, no fractal break. So if that fractal break, that means it confirmed us that it can start pulling back, but it's not doing that. So mm, huh. So euro perspective, already told you, because it's intraday perspective. But looking short till this below, it's higher probability, because we can target this, what I say, this liquidity point. Okay, price still not come till EQ of the swing range of H4. So till here we just look for short, it will be the good option for us. Okay, if suppose anything happen, like after doing random things, price just go down, then we what we do, because as you know, we are trying for price to come up here, right? We are waiting that price come till up here, then we look short, right? This is the way we wanted to take entry. I will convert it to this blue. So this if this not happen, if this not happen, then what? If this that not happen, that means it's break this low, and it created new POI for us. It might be not the good POI. It can have some inducement about this POI, but we will wait and see if there is a sweep model or anything happen. We can take that, or we just wait any liquidation point here, because it's looking to build up liquidity, and after that breaking that's equal liquidity, and it can be higher probability that POI become the higher probability, because it has no lid to the left side, then it created on the right side, right? So it's now it can create equals high, and breaking that, and now it can create some good POI for us to take short entry, to go below. Okay, to follow H4 order flow till uh, कब तक के लिए हमको फॉलो करना है, till when just we look to our H4, and have to mark the H4 like this one, because it's become high probability. I know this week can have some reaction to that, but there is also in what I say, uh, below lid nahi, imbalance. So definitely to the week it's important. So I do that, and now I just try to short sell till up here. It will be the good option, because there is nothing here to hold the price, at least till here. I guess it can stop the price if we go and see some. There is nothing, because if you observe clearly, H4 is mitigated, so there might be nothing, because see, H4 is higher probability than the M15. Remember that. जो हायर टाइम फ्रेम होगा वो ज़्यादा हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी रखेगा, रादर देन M15 और मीडियम टाइम फ्रेम. सो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ही हम लोग को ट्रेड लेने का सोचना है, और क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली जो मीडियम टाइम फ्रेम, जो बीच का टाइम फ्रेम होता है, it's for our in our case it's H4, it's objective thing, right? So we have to follow the objective accordingly. So now I just look for short till up here. I know it can wipe out this and start pulling back, but till here we just look for short entry to follow the current order flow of the M15 or H4 perfectly, right? So we are waiting for confirmation. I just have to remove this all. Why I'm not reviewing this? Because I wanted to see this clearly. When this kind of things can happen, price just sweep everybody out, and then sorry, then it go to our desired direction. So anything can happen. So we just wait and wait, not doing any stupid things, at least in between. Okay. Yes, there is potential. What I say, potential. I want to see this POI on H1. So can confirm me something. Huh? If I go to H1, so so यहाँ से भी chances है कि, because H1 और M15 सेम ही लग रहा है for me, so I have to delete that. So it could be the higher probability for long, but remember that if we are looking long from here, it will be short short the target, because as you observe, total overall bearish, internal is also bearish, so we are going against that. That means it will be the phase D trade. Okay, for phase D we have our target must be smaller, or our, what I say, entry or exit will be aggressive. So we will wait till mitigation of this POI. Mitigation equal high break. अब ये इसमें से कुछ भी ऐसा होगा, then you think about something, right? Or if we go to our GBP JPY, because it's turned into some kind of swing trading for me, so I'm still waiting for this to be mitigated to follow through. What I say, daily objective to break this one, because this is ultimately the target first, and then this become next target, right? Why I do this? Back Because this is internal and this is swing. This is more next target more probably, but it will take time, and this will not that much time it will take. So that's why I do that. It necessary नहीं है कि आप लोग भी करो, बट ये मैंने किया. हाँ. So overall what I wanted to look at GBP JPY is that when the price pull back to this zone, then I will go to or I will go for H4, or in H4 I can follow the price action overall. So I wanted to look long from here, but as you observe, price just pulling up and not doing that much. So I needed to see the price to pull back this much on EVV of CH1. It did come up till this, but unfortunately we missed that because on H1, if you observe clearly, it managed to come and sweep this one and start pulling upside. So yes, we might miss this one, but our target will be bigger here. So you just have to wait and see how things can turn out to be on GBP JPY. और ओवरऑल इसको फेज इसको हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी तो लॉन्ग ही है। गोल्ड तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम लॉन्ग अच्छा खासा ये मतलब करंट ऑर्डर फ्लो अगर आप देखो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से ये पुश कर रहा है। सो कुछ करना नहीं है बिकॉज वी हैव टू वेट फर्स्ट because as you see on H4 it did manage to do that, so we need fractal break here to confirm us that it can start pulling back. H4 George, so we have to you know we need price to confirm us that it start pulling back, because after any boss we expect some kind of a pullback, right? But kahan tak we don't know, but at least we know that these are the imbalances. Price can take come till fill up everything, then it can start pulling back again. So we just have to wait and see how things can turn out to be, but usse pehle we don't do any stupid things. Okay, we just wait and wait. नेक्स्ट मंडे तक लगा दिया भाई, जब तक होगा होगा। तो कुछ नहीं, ये इट इज़ लाइक creating liquidity, or I must say there is what I say, there is news on 7 p.m. core PCE. I know it is not that high impact, but it has some kind of impact, just short term, just for a moment, but not that big, like what I say, our interest rate or NFP did happen, but not that much. So it's looking, looking wild. अगर M1 में देखोगे तो लाइक अरे बाप रे, लेते जाओ यहाँ से कंट्री, यहाँ से कंट्री, वहाँ से कंट्री। M1 में तो भाई एंट्री एंट्री, खाली M1 का ही प्राइस एक्शन फॉलो करो तो यू कैन मेक सम मनी, गुड मनी, राइट? सी, break and take an order from here, just push to the outside. इज तो H1 में भी यही है सिंपल, we just look for short entries. Okay, so we will wait for mitigation first. Gold में भी खास नहीं है अभी कुछ, जब तक ये ब्रेक नहीं होता है। और फिर अगर हम वीकली देखें कुछ भी देखें तो अभी पुश, अभी तो लॉन्ग को पुश किया ही है, तो हो सकता है आप जाता ही रहे, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो। बिकॉज सी, अभी जो एआई की रेस चल रही है उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर देखा जाए तो बहुत सारे चेंजेस होना बाकी है अभी मार्केट में। चारों तरफ है मेरे ही चर्च, ऑटो पे है बस। Think about it. अगर somebody catch gold from here, you know, 18th December 2024, you know, just create the, see how much people is that if they manage to get this 19,000, मतलब hell lot of money that was. Not doing that much because before the news it might start just accumulate the liquidity, and it can break that liquidity during the session. So that's why maybe it's not doing it much. Might miss the entry, I guess. ये एक एंट्री हो सकती थी जो मैंने मिस कर दिया। मैं बताता हूँ रीज़न मिस करने में, बिकॉज सी, देखा जाए तो ये भी एक हिसाब से आई थिंक आई मिस दैट एंट्री। एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा सा आज क्या बोलते हैं, फोकस्ड नहीं हूँ। रीज़न है आज वीटी से जाकर आया हूँ, थोड़ा काम था। और लंदन सेशन में आई एम नॉट दैट एक्टिव, so that's why I might miss this, because see, the thing is that I never see during London low that much price action, so that's why maybe I missed this one. Very high probability that it can go fill up here, then can anything can happen, but we will see how things can turn out to be. Well, let's start, what I say, start giving us the reaction that we wanted from the price to be. So I just will wait here. See. चारों तरफ है मेरी चर्चा, है बस मेरा नाम। रंगों भरी दुनिया तेरी मस्ती में डूबी है मेरी शाम, अंदाज़े अपना तुझे लगे। क्या करूँ, बोर हो रहा है। यस गाइस, ये एंट्री मैंने ली नहीं है, काइंड ऑफ, सो you just have to sit and relax and not doing that much. थोड़ा बोरिंग सा सेशन है, बिकॉज फ्राइडे भी है, वीक एंड हो रहा है, 2 दिन अभी थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करेंगे। कुछ खास नहीं, केस स्टडी तो कुछ किया नहीं। एलक्यूएम एग्जांपल्स, ट्रेड गैलरी, ये मैंने आज जो लर्न किया जो पिछले हफ्ते में पूरा, हाउ प्राइस क्रिएट लिक्विडिटी फुल वीक एंड स्वीप, ये मैंने सोचा कि इसे मेरे को रखना है, ये ध्यान रखना है कि किस तरह देखो पूरा लिक्विडिटी क्रिएट किया, उसके बाद न्यूज़ के टाइम पे इसको सब स्वीप किया and just melt down. Yes, it did some kind of reaction from the POI. It might give some, M1 entries like here, like here. Can some so many people can catch that, you know, good RR from there. But I must say, it's not that big. It's not that good. So ये मैंने लिख कर रख लिया नोट में कि किस तरह ये होता है, तो ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर कभी ये चीज़ होगी तो बैक ऑफ माई माइंड मुझे पता होगा कि समथिंग this kind of thing can also have occur in the market create liquidity and sweep. It's all about that, creating liquidity and sweeping, creating liquidity and sweeping, that's it. ये मार्केट का मोटिव है, इट इज द गोल, पर्पस गोल, गोल्डन गोल। सो issue, if this break, I might have M15 POI here, so I can think of M5 entry from there, but we just have to be relax. Mhm. So I guess time to close the session because we have nothing to talk about, and I'm just tired. I'm tired today. I'm so tired. So after 7 p.m. I look for some kind of entry because till 7 p.m. as you know there is news, so we might not try to take an entry till 7 p.m. After that, till 9:30 or 9 p.m. I look for something. If I got it, I definitely will take it. Otherwise, I don't. So time to close the session. So bye, guys.